What is a subject? The subject is what or who the sentence is all about. A subject can be a noun, pronoun, phrase, or clause. Let's start with noun. A subject can be a noun. What is a noun? Noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. Types of noun. Number 1. Concrete nouns name people, places, or things that you can touch, see, hear, smell, or taste. Examples: person, man, Mrs. Jones, Doctor, Maddie. Place, river, Paris, mountains, home. Thing, dog, book, sports car, banana. Can you touch, see, hear, smell, or taste the given examples? Yes, because they are all concrete nouns. Example sentence: Apple is my favorite fruit. The word apple is a concrete noun because you can touch, see, and taste an apple. Number 2. Abstract nouns name ideas, concepts, or emotions. These nouns are intangible, which means you cannot touch, see, hear, smell, or taste them using your 5 senses. Examples: idea, love, intelligence, justice, religion, time. Emotion, happiness, anger, excitement, fear, surprise. Are these words intangible? Yes, because you cannot perceive these ideas, concepts, or emotions using your 5 senses. Example sentence: Patience is a virtue. The word patience is an abstract noun because it is intangible. You cannot touch, see, hear, smell, or taste patience. Number 3. A common noun is a generic noun that isn't capitalized. Examples: ball, tree, flowers, moon, dogs. Example sentence: The book is on the brown table. Book is a common noun because you do not know the exact title of the book. That is why it starts with a small letter. Number 4. Proper noun is a specific noun that is capitalized. Proper nouns include the days of the week, the months of the year, towns, cities, streets, states, countries, and brands. Names are all proper nouns too. Notice how your first, middle, and last name are all capitalized. They are proper nouns because they indicate a specific, particular person, which is you. Examples: Anna, Monday, Milo, Mother Lourdes Learning School. Example sentence: Max was born in the Philippines. Max is a proper noun because it is a name. It indicates a specific or particular person. That is why the word Max starts with a big letter. Number 5. Collective nouns are names for a collection or a number of people or things. Examples: group, herd, and class. Example sentence: the panel agrees on the best way to resolve the issue. What is a panel? A panel is a group of people gathered for a special purpose, as to plan or discuss an issue or judge a contest. The word panel is a collective noun. We are done with nouns. Now, let us study pronouns. A subject can be a pronoun. What is a pronoun? Allow me to answer that question by a way of demonstration. Ben laughed so hard, milk came out of Ben's nose. Jenny lifted the log. Jenny found a worm under the log. So, these sentences don't have pronouns. What they do have is repeated noun. There's Ben and Ben, Jenny and the log, Jenny and the log again. In the first sentence, we know we are talking about Ben, and we know we are still talking about Ben, so we don't need to say that name twice. We don't need to say Ben and Ben again. So what a pronoun does is allows you to take out the unnecessary noun. When we already know what we are talking about, you don't need to say Ben a million times. You can replace Ben with the pronoun his. Same thing applies to the next sentences. We don't keep on mentioning Jenny and the log when we know what we are talking about. The first sentence will remain, Jenny lifted the log. But then in the second sentence, we can replace the name Jenny, since we already know who we are talking about, with the pronoun she. And we can replace the words the log with the pronoun it, since we know we are talking about the log. Words like his, she, and it are all pronouns. So, what is a pronoun? The prefix pro means for or in place of. Pronoun stands in for or replaces nouns. Types of pronoun. Number 1. Personal pronoun are short words used to represent people or things. They are used to avoid repetition. Examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Example sentence: he promised to return the book today. The pronoun he represents a name of a male. Number 2. Indefinite pronouns refer to people or things without saying exactly who or what they are. We use pronouns ending in body or one for people, and pronouns ending in thing for things. Examples: everyone, everything, someone, somebody, and nobody. Example sentence: Everybody enjoyed the concert. The question is, do you know exactly all the people who enjoyed the concert? Definitely no. The word everybody is an indefinite pronoun because it does not specify the identity of its referent. Number 3. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point to something specific within a sentence. These pronouns can indicate items in space or time, and they can be either singular or plural. When used to represent a thing or things, demonstrative pronouns can be either near or far in distance or time. Examples: near in time or distance, this for singular and these for plural. Far in time or distance, that for singular and those for plural. Example sentence: these are lovely and cheap. The word these is used in the sentence because the speaker is talking about more than one object or plural and are near to him or her. Number 4. An interrogative pronoun is a pronoun which is used to make asking questions easy. The 5 interrogative pronouns are what, which, who, whom, and whose. What? Used to ask questions about people or objects. Example: what is your friend's name? Which? Used to ask questions about people or objects. Example: which color do you prefer? Who? Used to ask questions about people. Example: who was driving the car? Whom? This interrogative pronoun is rarely seen these days, but when it shows up, it is used to ask questions about people. Example: whom did you speak to? Whose? Used to ask questions about people or objects, always related to possession. Example: whose sweater is this? We are done with noun and pronoun. Now, let's study phrase. A subject can be a phrase. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words that are related in meaning but does not express a complete thought. A noun phrase consists of a noun and its modifier or modifiers. Example sentence: the notebook beside the bag is mine. The phrase "the notebook beside the bag" is a noun phrase. This phrase consists of the noun notebook, the determiner the, and the modifier beside the bag. Question: are the words "the notebook beside the bag" a sentence? The answer is no, because it is a phrase. It does not express a complete idea. An infinitive phrase consists of the preposition to plus the verb and all the other words that appear with the infinitive. Example sentence: to pass the examination is what Anna promised to her mother. The infinitive phrase "to pass the examination" includes the infinitive to pass and its object, examination. The entire phrase is used as a subject. A gerund phrase consists of a gerund and its object. A gerund is a verbal ending in ing that functions as a noun. Example sentence: eating fruits and vegetables makes our body healthy and strong. The gerund eating, which ends in ing, and the words fruits and vegetables form a gerund phrase and is used as a subject. Remember, noun phrase has noun and modifier. Infinitive phrase has preposition to, verb, and its object. Gerund phrase has verbal ending in ing and its object. We are done with noun, pronoun, and phrase. Now, let's study clause. A subject can be a clause. What is a clause? A clause is a group of words that has a subject and a predicate. It functions as a part of a complex or compound sentence. A dependent clause. A dependent clause is a group of words that also contains a subject and a verb or predicate, but it is not a complete thought. Because it is not a complete thought, a dependent clause cannot stand on its own as a sentence. Example sentence: that you are happy is what matters. The subject of the sentence is the clause that you are happy. It has a subject, you, and a predicate, are happy. Question: dependent clause has subject and predicate. Does it mean it is a sentence? The answer is no, because even though it has a subject and a predicate, it does not convey a complete thought or idea. A noun clause. A noun clause is a dependent clause that acts as a noun. Noun clauses begin with the words such as how, that, what, whatever, when, where, whether, which, whichever, who, whoever, whom, whomever, and why. Example sentence: whichever restaurant you pick is fine with me. The clause whichever restaurant you pick consists of a subject, you, and a verb, pick, and is used as subject in this sentence. Again, clauses have subject and verb but are not complete sentences because they do not convey a complete thought or idea. Summary: the subject is what or who the sentence is about. The subject can be a noun, pronoun, phrase, or clause. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. A pronoun stands in for or replaces nouns. A phrase is a group of words that are related in meaning but does not express a complete thought. A clause is a group of words that has a subject and a predicate. It functions as a part of a complex or compound sentence.